I'm Brandon. At Resurrection Brick, we don't just glance at your home and hand you a number on a business card. When you call us, we schedule a free inspection within 24 to 48 hours. Our team performs a complete brick inspection, not just the problem areas. We even dig down to your footings to make sure the foundation is solid for your brick. We also inspect your chimney from every angle, including the top, so nothing is overlooked. After the inspection, we'll sit down with you and go step by step through our findings. You'll see detailed photos, a clear plan of action, and real examples of our craftsmanship and customer reviews. When you choose Resurrection Brick, you get more than a repair. You get peace of mind. A dedicated project supervisor oversees your job from start to finish with a final walkthrough to ensure you're 100% satisfied. Bring your home back to life with Resurrection Brick. Quality you can see, trust you can feel. Call now to schedule your free inspection and save up to 40% on your project today.